What kind of drove those families to start investing more into the stock market instead of the typical, gold market that we usually saw?
I think the government had something to do with it, that they were clear that India had this amazing opportunity in these dramatic development needs, and that could be more easily achieved if people were investing their money in the stock market or life insurance or even putting it in the bank than putting it in a physical asset like gold or land or proverbially under the mattress. So they tried to make it easier to invest in the stock market, and they did. Now if you want to open a mutual fund account, you can do that on your phone. If you remember in days of old, it was form after form, and this, your ration card and this card, and they made it a little harder to invest in other things. And at the same time, other countries have done the same thing. The results in India were really different, I think, because people have become really excited about the future of their country. And they are voting with their wallets to be part of it.
That's great. And so in terms of financial literacy with these families that are more investing now, where can they kind of go to get more education on where and how to invest?
So I will start by saying it's not really my world because all of our investment comes from global institutions. Yesterday, the CEO of the National Stock Exchange was here, and he talked about all the advertising they do to educate people, and I think the Mutual Fund Association does advertising as well. But I think one aspect is becoming well educated, and the other is just thinking a little bit about risk. The Indian stock market has been on a tear these last few years, and it's been a lot of fun, but like anything, what goes up can also go down. So I guess the education that's most important is the education you tell people in the US or anywhere else. Only invest what you can afford to use and don't put it all in one place.